actually use an abacus begins at that 4, 5, 6-year-old level, right at that preschool kindergarten age. That's when they actually start learning how to use an abacus for counting and for patterning and for addition and subtraction and all of that wonderful stuff. So today I'm going to show you a few lessons I did with my 5-year-old and some things that I didn't get on film, so you'll see my hands instead of his. So if you're interested in learning how to upcycle that abacus from just a nursery decor piece to an actual learning tool, come along.
2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, that's not 7. 8, 9, and 10.
90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
5,
5,
10, 15, 20,
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Now we're going to do a little addition. I would like you to show me 4 plus 2.
4.
Start with 4 on the bottom.
2, 3.
Plus 2
Equals 6.
Good job. Okay, subtraction, we're going to only use this bottom row. Show me 8, take away 3.
8.
So you slide over 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Take away 3. So take 3 of them away. Equals
5.
In today's video, we will try to move back in time and learn how to perform the basic operations in an abacus, the very first calculator of our ancestors. To begin with, we assign the different place values on each layer of the abacus, from ones, tens, hundreds, and the maximum up to billions, depending on the requirement of the given problem to be solved. It depends also on the operations to be used. We'll start with the simple addition, 17 plus 8. First, we have to have the 17 1/10s and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we have to add 8 beads again. 1, 2, 3. We trade this 10 with the 1/10s. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we count the total number now. 2 10s beads and 5 1s beads. Total of 25. So now we'll try to have this in bigger numbers, adding 353 and 179. First, we have to position 350 and 3 ones, and we have to add 179. So 1 bead we have to add on the hundreds place, 7 beads on the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trade this with 100 bead. Continue counting. 6, 7, and then 9 ones beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Trade with 1 tens and continue counting. 8, 9. So we got 532 as the sum. Next, we'll try to subtract some numbers. For example, 555, 555, 5 beads on each layer, and we have to deduct 126 from this. So 1 bead I remove from the hundreds place, 2 beads on the tens place, and 6 beads on the ones place. But since I only have 5, we have to return 6. So not return, but we have to take out 6. So I have to take out first the 5 and trade this back with the tens. So return the 10 once, then I have to take out the 6th one. So count the total number on the right side. We have 420 and 9. Now we'll try multiplication. We'll start with a simple single digit by single digit. With this case, we'll have to use 2 layers, one on top and one on bottom. Since this is single digit, we'll assign 1's digit on top, 5, and 1's digit on the bottom, 7. So the first 7 we have already at the bottom, the first set of 7. The next set we have to add 7 again, 10, trade with the 10, then continue counting 4, 5, 6, 7. Second set, third set, add 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Trade this back with a 10 speed, 7. The third set, then on top the fourth set, add 7 again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the fifth one, 7, 1, 2, trade this with a 10 speed, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the total numbers of beads, 30 and 5, 35. Simple. Now we'll try to test this with the bigger numbers. 123. So I'll put the bigger numbers at the bottom, hundreds place, 20 tens place, and 3 ones place. Then 6. So the first set is already at the bottom position, 123. The second set, I have to add 123. Third set, 123. Fourth set, 120. I ran out of the ones place. Trade this back with the tens and continue counting 1 and 2. Fifth, 100. I ran out of tens place. Trade this with 100 beads, 20, then 3. Then the sixth one, 120 and 3. So the answer is total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 30 and 8. Now we're down to the final operation. We'll try the simple division. 10 divided by 3. We'll put 10 on top and you have to group this by 3's. 1, 3, 2 3's, 3 3's, and there's a remainder of 1. So the answer is 3 remainder 1. So now let's have 225. Let's divide this by 5. So we'll group the above beads into 5. That's the first 5. Try this with the tens bead, and the second 5, then the third 5. Then again we ran out of ones. Try this with the tens, another 5, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So now we're out of the ones and the tens. We have the hundreds now. Try this with the tens. So now instead of going back and forth with the ones and the tens and the ones and the tens, you can have the 5 tens and have the 1 tens on the bottom, 5 tens on top, 1 tens at the bottom. Another 100, trade with the tens, 5 tens on top, 1 tens at the bottom, 5 tens on top, 1 tens at the bottom. Total of 45. So 225 over 5 is 45. So that's the end of this exercise using the abacus.